In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account on your iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to an internet browser. I'll be using Safari for this demonstration. Then you need to select sign in from the top right hand side, and then from the left select create account. Now decide on why you're creating this account. You'll most likely need to select for my personal use. Then just go through the details by typing in your first and last name and hit next. Then enter your date of birth. Select your gender and click next. And now you'll need to create the username for your account. And this will be the email address that you'll use to sign into Gmail. So once you've created a username, click next. If the username's already taken, then you'll need to try something else. Now finally, create a password for your account and hit next. Enter your personal phone number. Now you'll need this to receive a verification code and then hit next. Enter your 6-digit verification code and hit next. And now you can decide whether you want to add a recovery email. This step is optional. I'm just going to press skip. Then finally hit next and decide how you want to set up your account. Now the easiest option is just to click choose in one step and hit next. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and press accept all, and then scroll all the way down again and press confirm. Then finally agree to the terms and conditions. And just like that, we've now created our Google account. So if you want to use this for Gmail, then you just need to click on the navigation icon in the top right hand side and select Gmail. And now from here, we'll be able to send and receive emails. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.